To avoid future payment blocks on PayPal, it's essential to understand the factors that can lead to these issues and take proactive steps. Follow these steps to help ensure smooth transactions. Step 1. Maintain accurate account information. Ensure that your PayPal account information is up to date. This includes your email address, phone number, and billing address. Accurate information helps PayPal verify your identity and reduces the risk of blocks. Step 2. Verify your account. Complete the verification process for your PayPal account. This typically involves linking and confirming a bank account or credit card. A verified account is less likely to face payment blocks. Step 3. Monitor transaction activity. Regularly review your transaction history for any unusual or unauthorized activity. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to PayPal immediately. Keeping an eye on your account helps you catch potential issues early. Step 4. Follow PayPal policies. Familiarize yourself with PayPal's user agreement and acceptable use policy. Adhering to these guidelines will help you avoid actions that could trigger payment blocks, such as selling prohibited items or engaging in high-risk transactions. Step 5. Communicate with PayPal. If you anticipate any issues or have questions about your account, reach out to PayPal's customer support. Open communication can help address concerns before they lead to payment blocks. By following these steps, you can help prevent future payment blocks on your PayPal account and ensure a smoother transaction experience.